Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Roam research tutorials and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the resource in question. Today, we're taking a look at o2.co.uk, the website for O2, a major UK mobile network operator. Navigating through the site, you'll find a wealth of information on their various offerings, including mobile phone plans, SIM-only deals, and broadband packages. They also provide details on their 5G network coverage, international roaming options, and device upgrades. The site's layout appears generally user-friendly, with clear categories and search functionality to help you find what you're looking for. Whether you're a current O2 customer or considering switching to their services, the website aims to provide comprehensive information to assist you. From exploring different phone models and comparing their features to managing your existing account or getting help with technical issues, o2.co.uk serves as a central hub for all things O2. The site also highlights current promotions and special offers, allowing you to potentially save money on your mobile or broadband services. They frequently update their device lineup, showcasing the latest smartphones and tablets available on their network. Furthermore, you can access support resources, including FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information for customer service. For business customers, there's a dedicated section outlining tailored solutions for businesses of all sizes. The website also emphasizes O2's commitment to network reliability and customer satisfaction. Overall, o2.co.uk offers a comprehensive online experience for both current and prospective O2 customers, aiming to provide all the necessary information and resources to manage their mobile and broadband services effectively. They also offer information on accessories, insurance options, and ways to recycle your old devices. So, if you're in the UK market for a new phone, SIM card, or broadband plan, be sure to check out o2.co.uk for more details. They also offer information on their various perks and rewards programs, potentially adding value to your chosen plan.